going to show y'all how our houses were made. The studs go all the way to the ceiling, to the second floor, back down. This was on the first house. This is the back door coming into it. I really don't know what this part was, but all this was the kitchen. This is the flue where the cook stove sit. There's a space between the two houses that's 8 inches wide. The two houses are built side by side. This one was joined together. This is the flue for the second house. Here's the window like on the other side. Each side had a staircase. This is the door that went to the outside, and they moved it over on this side. This back here was the back porch, which where my laundry room was.